Are we live? I think we are. Let me just take a little second and check here. I've never been live before. I think I have been live once before, but we're going to just check and make sure that we're live. I've never been live before. I think. Okay, wonderful. We are good to go. Hi there, everybody. Good morning, and welcome to the first day ever of us doing this day trading challenge. It's going to be really exciting. So we're going to do this live for about 20-30 minutes, and it's 8:40 a.m. right now. Grab your coffee or tea or whatever, water, and let's get started, okay? So we're going to hop over in here to Webull, and I just hopped on here. This is the first time I'm looking at it, but we looked at this in our video last night. Basically, we're starting with a paper trading account of 25K, so let's move that up here so that we're not seeing it all the time. Or that could be fun, actually. Let's move our, just so that we could look at it a little bit more. We're going to move our thing just up here a little bit. Whoops, maybe that'll help us out. Cool. Awesome. No, this won't get any smaller, actually. Well, that sucks. Okay. No, anyway, we won't. We'll bring it back. Sorry about that. So, what were we talking about? What we were going to trade yesterday? We're going to trade the NASDAQ. So, I really just tuned in, and I'm not quite sure what's going on in the market today. So, let's take a second and just check it all out. We'll go to the 1 hour time frame. Just zoom out and see. Okay, what's been going on recently? Well, recently we've been on this crazy bull run, and it's been pretty wild. I mean, the NASDAQ, I think in January returned like 11%, which is pretty wild. If we zoom out to 1 day, or let's even go 1 week so that we could really see this. Okay, so this was the peak of 2021 and then 2022, right? And then basically, as soon as the start of this year, we've just been popping. We've just been ripping on the market. So that's cool to see, just to get the macro perspective, because I know that we are trading live. And 1 second, I'm seeing an error. Yeah, I know that we're trading, day trading, but get a bigger perspective and just see where things are at. So we've been on this massive bull run, basically. So let's take it back to just looking at what's happening in the market today. And one thing that I'm not seeing, chart settings, and we didn't really even show extended hours. So this is going to show the trading after the market's open, right? Because the market is open 8:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. Eastern time. So that's just something to know. So I'm in the Pacific time, so it's 8:30 now. So we're probably about halfway through almost halfway through the trading day. Okay, so we are good to go, and now we've been on this bull run, right? But we're seeing today prices are massively down. So they went massively up during the after hours, and they're coming back down to lows. So we're seeing QQQ is at 0.4%. You know what? I think, and this is just a thing right here, I think we're going to go long. So let's just jump into a trade. I know we've just been talking, but let's jump into a little trade. We're at 25.28, so we're going to do 25.30. We're going to buy 100 shares. Order submitted. Position filled. And I'm just really jumping into it, basically. How much is 100 shares? Because we're trading with 25K, right? So I've got to get my views set up. Sorry about that. This morning I didn't quite get everything set up. I just really wanted to launch into it. So this is a thing to consider for us here. Our position size, right? Our total account value of 25K. So right now we just bought a little bit of it, a little bit a piece, just 100 shares, 10% of our total portfolio here. And, the goal is to make 2% per day. So that's going to be our day trading goal. And how are we doing in the chat? So really just jumping into this trade here. Let's look at the QQQ. What are we going? Are we rebounding? Not really. Maybe, pretty slowly here. And what was this rebound? From 837 to 846 now. So in 10 minutes time, we've gone up about, 0.2%. So not a lot of movement now, actually. So let's look at QQQ. Oh man, we're actually going down. We're losing $5 here. Anyway, you know what? We're gonna slide this. What the hell? Well, I lost total control of that widget. I don't know. Oh shoot! So that kind of sucks. Look at us there. We here, I can't. I didn't even set up any of this trade stuff before the stream, so it's gonna be fun. So I'm trying to show the price that I bought at, my average price. So show open positions. Show open positions. Interesting. Well, we really took a dive there. So let's load up on 500 more shares at 25.17. And the orders are taking a little bit of time to fill. I want to get that fun sound that's like your order just filled. That'd be a fun sound. I'm try market order here, see if it goes a little faster. Okay. 200 shares. Let's go a little faster. No, kind of the same. So damn, I totally did not catch this trade. So we're going to go the other side. So I think it didn't really work. We're going to close the position. But that is okay because we're going to rebuy on the other side. Of SQs. So we sold our position. We're buying on SQs. Unbelievable. Oh my gosh. Well, I'm doing this live and I just hopped on the computer. I mean, there's no editing here. I can't be like, look at this awesome trade I'm doing. So what I did was I bought TQs and immediately went down and I got scared. I pulled out and then I went over to SQs because it's the inverse. And then I, well, now I'm back, but it like went way down right when I started anyway. Pretty exciting. And yeah, I guess I'm not one for some like, technical analysis. I don't really know the verbiage. I don't really know like day trader speak, what kind of like patterns to trace. I don't know what this blue line is. What is this blue line? The MA is the moving average. so we can see the moving average for the period. Now, what is our cost basis? Our average price is $34.97. So that'll be good to know. How do I add a widget here? I'm trying to figure it out. Cool. Add widget paper account detail. Or what's P&L? Okay. No, not that one. Paper account detail. Okay, cool. All right, so we're recovering. We started at 25K. We're down 40 bucks for the day so far. This is a great start to our day trading challenge. We're learning through adversity, and that is that's stellar. We're gonna put that up. Sorry about this. A few kinks I'm working out over here. We're gonna put this. You know what? We'll put it right here. Can you see that? Yeah, you can. Okay, cool. Let's actually extend all this stuff out. There we go. Okay, we're good to go. So we can see our net account value, just showing the number on the screen there, showing our progress. And we're going to watch this stock rip a little bit more. Although it's not really doing much for us. And I didn't give it much time. So, whoops. Sorry about that. Didn't not give it much time. Oh, what am I doing here? Okay. We're working out. I'm going to be a pro live streamer by the end of the year. So, how's everyone doing at home? Write in the comments what's going on right now. Are you guys on your way to work or something like that? What's going on? How's everything going for you? Yeah, because I'm just sitting here watching the stock. It's not really moving a lot. Let's zoom it out, actually, so that we're not so, like, cramped here. So if we're looking at SQs on a 5-minute chart, so I think direction, you know, if I'm just speculating here, I don't really know much, but, and I don't have to keep saying that because we've already said that. So, sorry guys. We are in learning mode together, and that's been long established between us. This is going to be a great thing that we're going to be doing together. You know, learning. Like, learning, should I spend more time researching and not just, you know, jump into a trade, 3 minutes within live streaming? Probably not. I mean, that's probably not a safe bet. Probably not a safe thing to do. So, you know, we're learning. Getting a warning on the screen for the stream. Weird. 1 second. Sorry. Please reconfigure both primary and backup streams correctly. Okay, anyway, that's a tech thing. No, it says stream condition is good condition. Okay. Look at us. We're moving a little bit here. Look, we're up 35% on the trade. I'm sorry, $35 on the trade. Only up 0.1%. So how open is our position here? We've got 500 shares. Yeah, we're trading with about 18,000 right now. So there's about $18,000 of our money on the line. And we're going to keep it going for a little bit. We're going to start earlier tomorrow. Unfortunately, I got to get going here in 6 minutes. But we're going to start earlier tomorrow so that we can make it like half an hour or an hour or, you know, a good trading session to actually get our goals. Because if I'm cutting it off at 9 a.m., that's when I got to leave today. I don't think we're going to make $500 unless something crazy happens to the stock. And in fact, let's double down with a little bit more of a market order. How much buying power do we have? 8,000 or so. So let's just freaking max this thing out. And I know it's a little bit of a riskier thing to do, but Okay. Limit 34.97. Let's do that again. Okay. Got another order out there for 200 shares at 34.97. And I realized that's what we bought at before. So, you know, I think if I'm going to do it, I should just put it all in the market. So we're going to, you know, not trying to waste time here, trying to make money. Trying to make money. Oh, and of course, when I try to buy it at the same price, it's running now. So that's cool. I mean, not really running. I mean, we're up, you know, marginally. Like, not even marginally. We're up, you know, barely anything at all. There we are. We're down, and are we going to fill? Yes, we just filled. I want to get a little bell that rings like when we fill the order. I think that'd be really fun. Really fun to have. So, day one is not looking too good for us here. We're going to get better. We're going to become stock trading pros together. Hey, by the way, leave me a comment and let me know how I'm doing here on the stream. Am I trading the right stuff? What do you guys think? What do you think at home? What's going on? Give me your feedback. Should I not drink coffee on camera? It's a little gross. Yeah, maybe it is. So one lesson I'm learning here, and maybe I jumped the gun on doubling down on my position. Because, see, the way it works, like, every time I buy, it changes the cost basis. So if I buy, like, if I buy way up here, my cost basis is, say, here. Let's just, like, draw a line. My cost basis is here. And the stock plummets all the way here. I'm like, all right, well, I'm going to buy an equal amount here. So then my cost basis drops down from this level to this level, right? So that when the stock recovers, I've only got to make it to this level to break even instead of all the way back here. So if we're losing our faces on a trade, which we don't, you know, bad situation anyway, but we're able to buy down here so that whatever we gain here equals out what we lost up here. So that's kind of my you know, that's how cost basis works with every single trade. But a mistake that we made here is I bought, you know, I jumped the gun on buying a lot, you know, right off the bat. And so, right, it didn't even move much. I mean, I bought at the same level that I bought before, 35.97. So it stayed around this level, right? So now it's going down, and I would prefer to buy here now, right? Because it'll lower my cost basis. It'll make it easier for when it rebounds, if it rebounds, to make a little bit of a trade there. But I've maxed out. I don't have any buying power left. I've got it all in the market already, so it doesn't really help me out there. Oh, whoops. Sorry, I think my audio just cut out there for us. So, you know, let's close the position. I think, why won't you close? What is going on with my screen right now? shares do I have? 700. Okay, we'll let it pop for a little bit more. All right, so we're gonna actually keep this order open, but I gotta leave the live stream now. So everyone, it was great to see you today. Oh, sorry, I was looking at this camera. It's great to see you today, and thanks for tuning in. We're gonna keep this position open just to see how the rest of the day goes. Maybe it's a longer day trend, but I just gotta get going right now. So we'll see you tomorrow for day 2 of the live day trading challenge. And maybe I'll post a recap of what's going on later today. Okay, so thank you. See you later.